YouTube. This is actually the fire pit that we made, and he ended up... I saw that go in your mouth and come out. Dude, that's gross. But we ended up making a pretty big fire because it is cold. We just finished the first game. Kevin, let's see that finger where I shot you, bro. Yeah, I shot him on both of his hands, and like he shot me right under my armpit, and Tevin shot me on the shoulder. I got 4 kills. Tev got 2, and you got 1. Yeah, because you shot me and 1, I shot you. So good. I finished with 1 life, and we're about to go by the barn. He's gonna use a sniper, and I'm gonna use my AK and my pistol. And we're just warming up before playing the next game, guys. Just like and subscribe. We'll be doing this a lot. No one really has to, I guess. I mean, Tevin, you can have it as a sidearm, leave it somewhere, you know? Because, like, that's why I'm not good tri-wielding when I'm playing the other field, because I have a vantage point where I have all my weapons on the ground that I can pick them up whenever, you know? Yeah. Usually get your truck and drive around and shoot out the window. It feels good out here, man. It's gonna be cold when we get out of the forest line, though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why? Why? Why everything? Yeah, I know. I was recording us doing the fire pit and stuff, you know? Man, I love this pistol. I ran up like, pop, pop, pop. Oh, dude, I shot that tree and it ricocheted and hit that tree. I got, well, it's okay for a pistol. Don't you want me to waste ammo? I know. I got one in the back. So do I. That's what I do for the sniper. I'm really proud of my pistol. Alright. Alright, so we can get it. You want to settle this, boy? You got a gun on you already. Yeah.